Hello all, my name is MITHUNRAJ. So from automobile branch, the product I have chosen for the activity is chaff cutter. This is my company logo, Farm Future. Feedback collected during empathy. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one is durable and rust resistant blades. And second one is a compact and lightweight design that is easy to transport. Third one is affordable price, and last one multifunctional use, like they can be used for other types of crops. Next stage is define and ideate stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing product. Features to be added. First one is durable blades, basically rust resistant and easy to replace blades. Second one is adjustable cutting size for different versatility and crops. Third one is low noise and vibration, making the product more quieter and comfortable operation. Fourth one is safety features like guards and emergency stop or auto shut off technology. Futuristic product name AgriChop X. The next stage is prototyping stage. In a prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below, as well as there is an image for reference. Next stage is testing stage. As actual working models are not prepared yet, the testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for the presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.